So I guess I'll start this video with, oops, I messed up. Hello and welcome to One Step at a Time Farmstead. Join our family on our journey as we build a like-minded community while living life on our terms in accordance with our beliefs, our convictions, our desires, and above all, our faith in God and our God-given calling.
We promote a self-sufficient, self-sustaining lifestyle, especially with regard to fresh produce and fresh meat and the preservation thereof.
It is our objective to prove that this self-sufficient, sustainable, healthy, happy, and fulfilling lifestyle is possible, even in an urban setting, while adhering to various laws, rules, and regulations of our government.
Our ultimate vision and goal are to obtain and establish functional and profitable farm enterprises where we produce wholesome foods grown and raised according to our conviction in the way that God intended. In other words, organic, natural, chemical-free.
Furthermore, it is our aim to teach and train in the various principles of self-sufficiency, self-reliance, and food security. We foresee hosting, supporting, and sponsoring masterclass training workshops in accordance to our call to the ministry of God.
With your support, we know we can achieve these goals.
Yeah, good morning and welcome back. Sitting here in my office behind the computer editing, I just realized something. Working through the clips and editing these videos, I realized that this clip was supposed to be the closing of one of our previous videos that I already posted, or at least scheduled to post. And yeah, basically it is just plating our Chicken AlFredo that Danielle made as one of the plating ideas. And yeah, instead of me trying to take that video off and re-edit and then post it again, I decided to just make a follow-up video on that. So it's going to be a short one. But like I said, yeah, it's just showing you basically the meal we had that evening and how Danielle plated our meal. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye.